Yo, what's up guys, I'm back with another video. First, I have started a new channel to upload shorts and small DIY projects, so please subscribe to that channel, link in the description box. So, a few days ago I have unboxed this tiny Pico PC and so many people wants to see what is inside this PC. So in this video we will tear it down and replace its pink body with this cool looking black one. Before that, a big shout out to GLC PCB for sponsoring this video. GLC is one of the leading PCB prototype manufacturers that provide 1-to-4 layer PCB for just $2. Their other services are SMT stencil and SMT assembly, where you will get your PCB with all components already mounted. So upload your Gerber file, select PCB settings and get your custom made PCB for just a few bucks. So let's begin. Alright guys, so these are all the parts that come out from this tiny PC. Now let's reassemble it and check whether this PC is still alive or not.
At first I said that I love you and you ain't say that shit back. It's kinda hard to just trust you when both your feelings don't match. Got me showing less emotions, I don't wanna get attached. Once I give you my word, I swear it ain't no going back. Once I give you my heart, you better keep that shit intact. Instead of assuming no words, girl, I'm just here stating facts. You want me to take you back, I want you to take me back. You want me to take you back, I want you to take me back. So tell me, is you gon' ride out when the chips fall? I seen too many people leave when they get hot. I'm tired of going back and forth when we pissed off. Most of my friends done went through it and they stood tall. See, they gon' try and tell you what they think is good for you. Whole time they was plotting, man, I wish they was for you. You gotta watch your back, your front, your side, they disloyal. I gotta watch my crown, cause from birth I've been royal. And that's from the soil. Yeah.
So as you can see guys, it's working without any problem like new. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you like this video. Do subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.